Hey, what's up everyone? So you have a slim PS2 that doesn't read discs. Well, so do I. Let me show you to fix it. Sometimes a disk read error is as simple to fix as just cleaning some dust off the lens. So before replacing the laser, go ahead and give it a quick clean with some isopropyl and a Q-tip. Now, this could only be a temporary fix. For me, this worked, but it was short-lived. It loaded the game maybe 2 times before dying again, but it's always worth a shot. Not much is needed as far as tools, just a precision screwdriver set, soldering iron, desoldering braid, and I used a razor blade. There are 6 screws hidden behind covers, one of which is under a warranty sticker. After removing those, the top should come right off. Once inside, you will need to remove these 2 tiny screws, and there are some small brackets. Don't lose the screws as they are really tiny. Once that's done, carefully flip the laser over and remove the ribbon cable. It's clipped in place, so don't yank on it until you've unclipped it. Now that your dead laser is free, set it aside and move your focus to the new laser. These come with a bridged point to protect the circuitry. You will need to unbridge them by removing this blob of solder. You can use some desoldering braid, or you can just wipe the solder off with the iron's tip. This is what it should look like when you're all done. Now finish moving the bracket and the metal cylinder to the new laser. The bracket is just held in place with 1 tiny screw. For your viewing pleasure, I destroyed the old laser because why not? Now just put your console back together. Not much to say about this, the whole process, start to finish, shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. After that, just pop in a game of your choice and you should be greeted with the PlayStation 2 logo. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more modding goodness. You can follow me on Twitter at TechnoOnTop. I do occasionally post some other things, projects, updates, stuff that doesn't make the videos. Be sure to check out my other videos if you haven't already, and I really appreciate the support. Until next time, peace.